Shout out to Mr. Ordinary Movie Mark. He gifted me this for Christmas. He didn't give it to me until January, and now we're barely opening it today in February. But nonetheless, let's get into the box. The box is very nice as far as the design. It has what you expect, the Green Goblin mask in different point of views. And it just explains that it's adjustable, it's movie inspired, and to even buy a separate Green Goblin bomb, which is right here, unfortunately already unboxed because my wife gave this to me for my birthday, and it wasn't until like a few days after Mark gave me this for Christmas. If I would have known, I would have kept this unboxed. But this bomb, let's review it real quick first. This bomb is really cool. It's from the Green Goblin to match the mask, of course. And you can either tap it like a sensor and it'll activate the bomb. So the timer goes off, the bomb goes off, and then we got the Green Goblin laugh just by sensor activation. Or we could also press the button in the middle and it'll activate the bomb exploding faster as well as his laugh. A really cool and simple design. I really love it. Thank you, Bed, for the gift. But now moving on, and let's get into the box. Honestly, this has been one of the most secure masks that I have unboxed so far. Let's keep going into it, I guess. Well, at least you can guarantee the packaging is very secure for this mask. Now let's take it out. All right, really interesting. Was not aware that the ears are removable and that they don't come with the ears straight out of the box. It is definitely very weird to see Green Goblin without its ears, but a very nice design. Definitely, I feel like this is one of the longest masks they've ever made, especially because of this pinhead part of it. But still very cool and very detailed. And this is its standing base, which from the looks of it, thankfully, just like the other mask, you don't need it necessarily to make it stand up, which is perfect because I'm gonna put it right there. But anyways, let's start attaching its ears to make it look a little bit more normal of a Green Goblin. I got the ears on, not very confidently on how they're placed. There was a little bit of a snap, but there's still like tiny gaps and kind of like an off put to it. Especially if you look at it forward, you could totally tell this is a separate part. But when it comes to pushing down on it, I can't push it anymore, so that would do. Which it doesn't look bad, but I feel like there was no point in separating the ears, especially when the packaging was so good. But anyways, this is the Green Goblin mask. Okay, this is definitely one of the better head adjuster things they've ever made. Some of these designs on the previous mask weren't all that great. This one seems very functional and very well, like it's gonna fit me good. And here I am with the Green Goblin mask. And of course, let's finish off the look with our bomb. So this is definitely one of their cooler masks, especially as far as what you could see from the outside. Peter Quill's and Iron Man's mask were very rough to see out of. The only thing is a yellow tint, but everything else is very clear, which is very nice. My only issue with this is really the price. If you could find it on sale for $100, that's perfect. But for over $100, I don't think I would collect this mask out of pocket, just because it does nothing else. The cool part about these masks is they all light up. Even the Star-Lord one is a Bluetooth speaker, and all of these were $100. And this has none of those features, but yes, it does have pretty much an extra molding with just this pinhead part of it. And of course, the detail of the face scratching in and the nose, which are nice touches, especially since these masks are just kind of simple in their design. So that part is just up to you, the user, whether that's a deterrent or not. Still a badass looking mask though. And a cool little detail on this headrest that they really didn't need to put because it's gonna be on the back. It has an Oscorp logo on it, which is pretty nice. You place it just like that. That way the mask is a little bit more upright and this is pointing up versus pointing down. But guys, that'll be it for today's video. Thanks for checking this video out of the unboxing. Hopefully this helps you decide whether this was worth it or not, or maybe you just want to see how cool it is out of the box. But nonetheless, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more content from us, whether it be nerd, comics, books, stuff like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, I hope to see you guys all in the next one. Laters.